Hello everyone. Welcome back to another lecture on reasoning ability and problem solving. In today's lecture, we will discuss some example questions for tabulation. So let us start with this question. Basically, this data is given for us and based on this data, we have to answer question 1 to 4. Okay, so let us start. 6 boxes are there, P, Q, R, S, T and U that are placed in a stack. So stack means that they are placed one above other. Okay, so they are placed in one above other. There are 6 boxes and each of those boxes contain a different number of chocolates. So 6 boxes P, Q, R, S, T and U, they contain different number of chocolates. 250, 190, 119, 175, 280 and 210. So basically we have 3 variables over here. How many variables we have? 3 variables. 3 variables. First we have to find out the position of the box, correct? Position of the box in the stack. Position of the box in the stack. This is our first thing that we have to find out. Okay, which box it is, the name of the box. You can say the name of the box and the number of chocolates in that box. The number of chocolate in that box. So basically we have 3 different variables in this particular quiz. So 6 boxes are there. Let us start. Box P is placed immediately above box R. So if R is over here, box P is placed immediately above it. So this is the top of the stack and this is the bottom of the stack. Okay, so box P is placed immediately above box R. 3 boxes are placed between R and the box which contains 250 chocolates. So 3 boxes between R and the one that contains 250 chocolates. So 1, 2, 3 positions. 1, 2, 3. And then we have the box which has 250 chocolates. Either this or I can say 1, 2, 3 and then we have the box which has 250 chocolates. Because 3 boxes are kept between R and the one box that has 250 chocolates. Okay, box which have 175 chocolate is just above the box which have 250 chocolates. So the box that has 175 chocolates is just above the box that has 250 chocolates. Okay, so this will be your possibility number 1 and this will be your possibility number 2. One box placed between box T and the box which have 175 chocolates. So between 175 and T, we have only one box. So that means between T and 175, we will have one box. In this case, we will have one box and then we will have T. Okay, so how many positions are there in the possibility number 1? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And in possibility number 2, up till now, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 possibilities. Okay, now it is given to us that U contains 210 chocolates. So U, I can see only one position. I can put U in. Similarly over here I can put U over here which has 210 chocolates. Correct? The box which contains 119 chocolate is placed below box U. So box which contains 119 chocolate is placed below box U. So in possibility number 2, below box U, I have 2 boxes 175 and 250 and neither of them contains 119 chocolate. Therefore, this is not the correct possibility. So this is our approach. Basically, we start by taking all the possibilities and we keep on eliminating the possibilities based on data. So I can eliminate possibility 2. Now over here it is given that there are 3 boxes. The box which contains 119 chocolate is placed below box U. That means either P can have 119 chocolates or R can has 119 chocolates. So now again we get 2 different situations or 2 possibilities. First possibility is, if I write it like this, first possibility is that P has 119 chocolates and the second possibility is that R has 119 chocolates. Correct? 2 possibilities are there. 3 boxes are placed between S and the box which has 119 chocolates. So 3 boxes are kept between S and 119. So if 119 is over here, 1, 2, 3, S will be at the 250 position. Correct? S will be at the 250. Similarly, 119. 1, 2, 3, S will have 175 chocolates according to this data. Now, one box is placed between box Q and the box which have 190 chocolates. So Q's position is over here, correct? And one box is placed between Q and the one that has 190 chocolates. So 190 will come over here. If I look at possibility 2, we have only one position left, so I can place Q over here. Now, if I have to place 190, it will be over here, because between Q and 190 we have one box, correct? So this possibility again is false. This is not true, so we will continue with this possibility. Now, how many chocolates we have placed? We have placed 250, 190, 119, 175, 210. So we have not placed 280 yet, so 280 will come here. This is basically my final arrangement. So when talking in terms of positions, R is at the bottommost position and Q is at the topmost position of the stack. Q has 175 chocolates, S has 250 chocolates, T has 190 chocolates, U has 210 chocolates, P has 280 chocolates, and R has 119 chocolates. This is my final arrangement. Clear? Now, based on this arrangement, we have 4 questions. So let us look at them. Question number 1 says, which box contains 210 chocolates? So we have to identify the box which has 210 chocolates. So if I look at the arrangement, 210 chocolates is in box U. So my answer will be box U. So in options, I can see that option number 1 is U. Option number 1 U. U has 210 chocolates. Okay. This is the final arrangement. Let us look at example 2. Example 2 asks which box is placed at the topmost position. Topmost position. So if I look at the arrangement, this is the arrangement. Q is at the topmost position and R is at the bottommost position. So we are asked who is at the topmost position. So at the topmost position we have Q, which has 175 chocolates. So answer, if I look at the options, it will be option number 2, Q. Q has 175 chocolates and it is at the topmost position. Example 3. Example 3 asks that box R and T together contains how many chocolates? So we have to find basically the sum of chocolates. The sum of chocolates in boxes R and T. R and T. So basically we have to find the sum of boxes in R and T. So R has 119 chocolates, T has 190 chocolates, correct? So R has 119 and T has how many chocolates? 190. So if I add these, I will get 9 and 1 will be carried, 309. So in totality, there are 309 chocolates in R and T together. So my answer will be option number 4, 309. Clear? Now, moving on to example 4. Example 4 asks how many boxes are placed between box Q and the box which contains 119 chocolates. So we have to find out how many boxes are there between Q and the box which has 119 chocolates. So if I look at the arrangement, Q is over here, correct? And 119 chocolates are over here. We have to find out how many boxes are kept between them. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. S, T, U and P. We have 4 boxes between Q and 119. Okay. So if I look at the options, option number 4 says 4. So this will be the correct answer. There are 4 boxes between Q and the box which has 119 chocolates. Clear? Now, let us move on to this. Question number 5 and 6. So based on this data, we have 2 questions 5 and 6 that we have to answer. Okay. J, K, L, M, S, T, U, and V. They are 8 employees of an organization and they will attend a meeting in 4 months. So they can attend a meeting in March, June, October, November. Do you remember how many days are there in each month? March we have 31 days, June we have 30 days, October we have 31 days, and in November we have 30 days. Clear? So basically they visit in either March or June or October or November. Correct? 8 people visiting in 4 different months. Now the date of the meeting in each month is 13th and 22nd. So means in March we have 2 dates, 13 and 22nd. Similarly in June also we have 2 dates, 13 and 22nd. Similarly for October and similarly for November we have 2 dates. So in totality how many dates we have now? We have in totality 8 dates, correct? We have 8 dates, 8 different people. So each people will go on a particular date to attend the meeting. Okay? Only 2 meetings are held in a month. So we have 8 dates. Now, the question says no person can attend the meeting after L. That means L will be last because no one can attend after L. That means L will go last. So L will go on 22nd November. Correct? M attends the meeting in the month which has less than 31 days. So less than 31 days is in which month? This is 31, this is 30, this is 31 and this is 30. So less than 31 days means either in June or in November. So if he visits in November, there is one position, correct? If he visits in June, he can either visit on 13th June or he can visit on 22nd June. And L we have fixed. So now we have 3 possibilities. Okay. S and U attend meeting after M. So after M, S and U attend meeting. So possibility number 1 is incorrect because over here we do not have any position after M. So that means it could be either in possibility 2 or possibility number 3. Correct? Now, S and U attend meeting after M on dates 22nd of different months. So that means both S and U attend their meeting on 22nd of 2 different months. If I look at possibility number 3, after M I have only one position left over here which is on 22 because the next 22 is already filled with L. That means this possibility is also incorrect. If I look at possibility number 2, I have 2 empty positions for 22. So either S can come here or U can come here. Similarly, over here also we can S or U. So now I have 2 possibilities. First possibility is that S will be here, U will be here, M will be here. The other possibility is that S will be here and U will be here. So now I have 2 possibilities again. Okay. Now, J and K attend before M. So J and K attend before M. So these two columns will be filled by J and K. And it is known to us that J attend in the same month. Sorry, K attend after J in the same month. So K attends after J. So K will attend after J. So J will come here, K will come here. Correct? Now, V does not attend the meeting in the month in which either S or L attend. So V does not attend the meeting where S and L are attending. So L is attending in November, correct? So V cannot come here. Now we have one position left for V. V cannot also attend the meeting in the same month as S. So S is in October. So V cannot come here. Now we have no place for V. That means this possibility is also incorrect. Coming to this possibility, S attends in June, so V can attend in October. So if V attends in October, we have places for J, K, L, M, S, U and V. We only don't have place for T. That means T will attend on 13th November. This one will be the final arrangement. Correct? This one will be the final arrangement. So based on this arrangement, we have to answer 2 questions. Okay, so let us look at question 5. Question 5 asks who attends the meeting immediately after M. So if I look at the arrangement, M is over here on 13th June. So immediately after M, S is attending on 22nd June. So answer will be S is the one who will attend immediately after M. So my answer will be option number 2, S. Clear? Now, example 6 is S attends meeting in the month of what? So S attends in which month? S attends in June. S attends in June. So if I look at the options, we have June, October, November and March. So S will attend in June. Okay. So answer will be option number 1, June. Coming to questions 7 to 11. So again, this data is given and based on this data, we have to answer question from 7 to 11. Okay. Now, 6 persons are going to 6 different cities. So first thing, we have to find out which person, then city, and then the date on which they are going. So 3 variables are there. 6 persons are going to 6 different cities on 2 different dates, that is 7th and 16th of 3 different months. That is March, April, May. March has how many days? 31. April 30, May 31. So now we have March, April and May. May has 31 days, 30 days and March has 31 days. And dates are 7th and 16th. So 7 or 16, correct? 7 and 16. So now in totality we have 6 dates, correct? And 6 people visiting different cities. Okay? Now, let us start. B goes in the month which has an odd number of days and odd number date. So odd number date also, odd number days also. So odd number days is 31. 30 is even, right? So odd number days is 31. That means he visits either in March or May. And odd number date is 7. 16 is even. So either B visits on 7th March or B visits on 7th May. 2 possibilities are there. Either on 7th March or on 7th May. Okay. 2 persons go in between B and the one who goes to Pune. So that means 2 persons goes between B and the one who goes to Pune. So Pune will be here in possibility number 1 and in possibility number 2 Pune will be here. Correct? Because 2 persons goes between B and the one who goes to Pune. Correct? Now, only 2 persons go after the one who goes to Varanasi. So after the one who goes to Varanasi, 2 people go. That means Varanasi will go in 16th April because then we will have 2 dates. That means this possibility number 1 is incorrect. So we will continue with possibility number 2. Varanasi will be over here. Okay. A goes to Delhi on odd date. So A goes to Delhi on an odd number date. So now we have 2 possibilities. A can go in April also, correct? A can go into Delhi in April also, or we have Varanasi here, we have B here, or A can go to Delhi in March also, correct? A can go to Delhi in March also and A can go to Delhi in April also because he is going on an odd number date. So 7 is the odd number date, correct? Now, only one person goes between A and F. So between A and F, one person goes. So F will be here. Similarly, in the second possibility, F will be here because only one person goes between A and F. Right? As many people go before F, as many go after C. So this basically means the position of F and C will be the same from top and bottom. So if S is over here, C will be here. Similarly, if F is over here, C will be here. Correct? Now, more than 2 persons go in between D and E who goes to Indore. So E goes to Indore. So I can see only one position for E and I can put Indore here. And more than 2 persons are between D and E. So that means D will be over here. In this particular arrangement, E goes to Indore, but I cannot see a position where I can place both E and Indore. Because in each column we have at least one, either a person or a place. Correct? So this possibility is also incorrect. Now it is given to us F does not go to Chennai. So if F is not going to Chennai, B will go to Chennai. Correct? And it is given to us that one of the persons visit Jaipur. So F will be the one visiting Jaipur. So this will be my final arrangement. A on 7th March goes to Delhi. D on 16th March goes to Pune. F on 7th April goes to Jaipur. C on 16th April goes to Varanasi. B on 7th May goes to Chennai. And E on 16th May goes to Indore. This will be my final arrangement, and based on this arrangement we have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 5 questions in totality. Let us answer them. Okay, so example 7 asks, who amongst the following goes on 16th March? So on 16th March, if I look, we have C or the one who goes to Varanasi. Correct? On 16th March, on 16th March, we have D or the one who goes to Pune. On 16th March, we have D or the one who goes to Pune. So D or Pune. So if I look at the options in 16th March, the one who goes to Jaipur, no. A, no. F, no. The one who goes to Pune, yes. So option number 4 will be my answer. Clear? This is the arrangement. It is just written in a different format. Example number 8 asks, the one who goes on 7th May goes to which city? So we have to answer the one who goes on 7th May goes to which city? So 7th May, we have B, Chennai. So on 7th May, B goes to Chennai. So which city? If I look at the options, Jaipur no, Indore no, Pune no, Chennai. Option number 2 will be my answer. Clear? Example 9. Which of the following statement is not true about E? So let me draw the arrangement. The arrangement is we have March, April and May. 2 dates, 7 and 16, correct? 7 and 16. The order is A, D, F, C, B and E. They go to Delhi, Pune, Jaipur, Varanasi, and B goes to Chennai, and E goes to Indore. So this was my final arrangement, right? Let us answer the question. We have to answer the statement which is true about E. So B goes just before E. Over here, B goes just before E. This is true. Okay? E goes to Pune. E goes to Indore, not Pune. E goes to Indore. So therefore, this is false. Only 2 persons go between E and F. So between E and F, only 2 persons are going. Correct? Between E and F, only 2 persons are going. So this is also true. And more than 1 person goes between E and D. E and D, we have 3 people. So more than 1, yes. So this is also true. So we had to identify the one that is not true. So not true is only 2. So my answer will be 2, which is E goes to Pune. This is false because E goes to Indore. Clear? Example 10, which of the combination is true? So which of the combination? D goes on 7th March. Let us check. 7th March, we have A. So not correct. Okay? B goes to Jaipur. Let us check. B goes to Chennai. So not correct. C and 16th April. C goes on 16th April. Let us check. April 16th we have C. So this is correct. And D goes to Varanasi. Let us check. D goes to Pune and not Varanasi. D goes to Pune and not Varanasi. So this is incorrect. The correct option will be option number 3. C and 16th April. This is the combination that is true. Okay. Moving forward to question number 11. Example number 11. Example number 11. Who among the following person goes to Varanasi? So let us look at the arrangement. Varanasi we have C. C is the person going to Varanasi. So my answer will be option number 2, C. Clear? So these are the type of questions that you can get on tabulation. This was a question in which 3 variables were involved. Mostly you get 3 variables only in your tabulation questions, but sometimes the question can get tricky if there are 4 or 5 variables. Sometimes the question is easy if there are only 2 variables. So you basically get 2 or more variables in tabulation type of questions. So from the next lecture onwards, we will discuss these types in details so you can get a better conceptual clarity. We will solve more questions and understand them in detail. Hope this session was helpful. So this concludes today's lecture. Thank you.